118th Delaware General Assembly. The 118th Delaware General Assembly was a meeting of the legislative branch of the state government, consisting of the Delaware Senate and the Delaware House of Representatives. Elections were held the first Tuesday after November 1 and terms began in Dover on the first Tuesday in January. This date was January 4, 1955, which was 2 weeks before the beginning of the third administrative year of Governor J. Caleb Boggs and John W. Rollins as lieutenant governor. Currently, the distribution of the Senate Assembly seats was made to 7 senators for Newcastle County and for 5 senators to each Kent and Sussex counties. Likewise, the current distribution of the House Assembly seats was made to 15 representatives for Newcastle County and for 10 representatives each to Kent and Sussex counties. The actual population changes of the county did not directly affect the number of senators or representatives at this time. In the 118th Delaware General Assembly session, both chambers had a Democratic majority. Leadership. Senate: Charles G. Moore, Kent County, Democratic. House of Representatives: James R. Quigley, Newcastle County, Democratic. Members. Senate: about half of the state senators were elected every 2 years for a 4-year term. They were from a district in a specific county, with the number of districts determined by the state constitution, not the size of the population. House of Representatives: all the state representatives were elected every 2 years for a 2-year term. They were from a district in a specific county, with the number of districts determined by the state constitution, not the size of the population. Places with more information. Delaware Historical Society, website 505 North Market Street, Wilmington, Delaware 19801, 302 655 minutes 7161. University of Delaware, library website 181 South College Avenue, Newark, Delaware 19717, 302 831 minutes 2965.